Welcome to the web-based training for the KNX application Sun Protection, which is based on the series N53X to N55X. The parameters of these series devices all have an identical appearance. Most of them are present in all current devices as recognizable blocks in a clearly defined structure, and can therefore always be set and changed at the same position. Because of the high recognition value of these Siemens Gamma Instabus ETS applications, a simple, fast, and safe parameterization of the desired functions is achieved. Since recurring application blocks are not completely explained anew in every web-based training, there are, if necessary, hints for quickly finding the detailed description elsewhere. This web-based training consists of the following parts. 1. Short overview of the features of the new Sun Protection Actuator N543. 2. Manual operation. 3. End position detection and travel timers. How can the new SSA N543 detect that the sunshade is in its end position? Can the end position be detected by the current measurement? Is recalibration required? The travel times of the SSA N543 were automatically calibrated. How long can this setting be kept unchanged, or when and why must it be recalibrated? 4. Activation and linking of multiple overrides. Electric sun sails are installed. They must be retracted both when it starts to rain and at high wind speeds. Can this be configured directly on the actuator? Go to Free Cascading of the Overriding Controls. 5. Alarm overrides per measured value. Instead of the alarms already preset in the sensor via a threshold decision, it sometimes makes more sense to set these thresholds directly in the actuator. 6. Manual or automatic operation. Sensible settings. An automatic blind system in conjunction with a weather central is installed. It controls blind height and slat position in automatic mode depending on the position of the sun. How can it be achieved that manual overriding, all types, 1-bit, 8-bit, or scene, remain effective until the user either cancels it, switching back to automatic mode, or leaves the room so that the automatic mode is also reactivated? 7. Scenes. The sun protection is to be positioned exactly via various scenes stored in the actuator. What are the prerequisites for this? Automatic travel time calibration by various actions during runtime. 8. Manual operation via one-button operation. The sun protection is to be operated via a one-button function, toggle up and down. Previously, it was not possible to operate the respective opposite direction reliably with the buttons that could be parameterized for this purpose. Is this possible with the new actuator? And if so, how? Go to Message Last Direction of Travel. 9. Override function position limit. The sun protection of a building should, at least temporarily, not be able to be completely closed, either by manual operation or by automatic control. Is this possible? Go to Central Override Position Limit. 10. Startup delays with central control. Is it possible to parameterize startup delays between the individual channels in order to limit the starting current in the network? Delayed startup between the channels. 11. Protection against motor reversal surges, timers for fine pitch positioning. What measures are taken to protect relays against reversal surges, and how can the positioning control be optimized? go to reversal pause, turning dead time, etc. We reserve the right to make further additions and possible changes to this e-learning.